Hi guys, today I am at Dewas Junction and I want to show you how clean it looks. This is really more beautiful than any railway junction I have seen yet. You will always find peace here. Not hurry burry, not rush here. People are sitting so calmly here. You see here, you may hear some background noise, but yeah, I am feeling really soothing here. Otherwise, if at this time I go to Bangalore railway junction or any other railway station, I don't find this much clean place anywhere. See here, it is so clean. This is the beauty of our railway junction. I never thought that my local station will be so beautiful. I will show you outside